and started off our spring break.
And more is expected. Storm drain runoff spilled into the parking lot at the Culver City Shopping Center on West Bankhead Street in New Albany.
It caused damage to several stores in that strip mall. WTVA's Veronica Mejia talked to some of the store workers this afternoon.
They were there as water started flooding into their shops, forcing them to wade through shin-deep water.
Just know I looked outside and seen a water bottle floating through the parking lot, and I was like, I don't think that's normal.
The water at the parking lot at the Culver City Shopping Center started rising pretty fast. Abby Sanders and Emmy Perkins work at Hollywood Bridal and Formal Boutique in New Albany and at Endless Summer Tanning. They were in the shops when thunderstorms hit the area, and pretty soon rainwater flooded the parking lot and started seeping into the shops.
We were trying to walk down to the tanning salon to get some towels because it started coming in, and
You had to completely wade down to the tanning salon, had to roll her pants up to her knees and take her shoes off.
Some people had to wade through the water to reach their cars, and other people drove in with their trucks to help others reach their vehicles.
It was
about
probably,
shin level.
Yeah, it was probably like 3 inches below my knee, and I'm 5'7".
Perkins says the bridal shop didn't see much damage to the store. The tanning salon did suffer some water damage to its walls, and the carpeted area needs to be replaced.
6:14 looking live.